All right, let's dive into the world of property management and unravel the mystery behind net operating income. Have you ever wondered what net operating income really means in property management and why it's crucial for success? Well, stick around because we're about to break it down for you. So, what exactly is net operating income, also known as NOI? In simple terms, NOI is the total revenue generated from a property minus all operating expenses, excluding mortgage payments and income taxes. It's a key metric in the property management industry as it reflects the property's ability to generate income and cover operational costs. Now, let's address a common problem in the industry: the misconceptions and misunderstandings surrounding net operating income. Many people overlook the importance of NOI or fail to understand its true significance in evaluating the financial performance of a property. This lack of understanding can lead to poor decision-making and financial instability. To understand NOI better, let's break down its components. NOI is calculated by subtracting operating expenses such as property taxes, insurance, maintenance costs, and property management fees from the total rental income. Vacancies and rental losses are also factored in. Essentially, NOI gives property managers a clear picture of the property's profitability before accounting for debt and income taxes. Now here comes the key moment: the formula for calculating net operating income. It's simple. NOI equals total revenue minus operating expenses. This metric plays a crucial role in assessing the overall financial health of a property and helps property managers make informed decisions about rent pricing, expenses, and investment strategies. In conclusion, understanding net operating income is essential for property managers and real estate investors. It provides valuable insights into the profitability and efficiency of a property, guiding decision-making and ensuring financial success in the long run. Before we wrap up, remember to explore more real estate finance topics on our channel and share your thoughts on net operating income in the comments section below. Your feedback and engagement are highly appreciated. Thanks for watching.